guys, today we're going to be reviewing my subscribers' small businesses. As you may know, I am a small business owner myself. I own Charrings, where I sell handmade polymer clay earrings and accessories. And I love to get feedback on my items, whether it's negative or positive, as long as it's constructive. I don't mind too much. So I thought today I would buy from some of my favourite small businesses, or even small businesses that I've never used before, and unbox them with you and let's do a little review. But sometimes small businesses reach out to me and ask if they can gift me something or make me something, which I am very honoured, and I'll always say yes, because I think that is the kindest thing ever, and I've done it for many small businesses too. I just think it's a really nice thing to do for each other, you know. So some of these items, like I say, are gifted, but a majority of them I have bought myself. The first box here is from Forn Designs. Now, I have been following him for gotta be over a year now. We've ordered from each other's shops. He's so lovely, and he does lives on TikTok, same as me, and he was doing a lucky dip similar to what I do on Fridays, and they were £1, some of them, so I thought let's buy some £1 ones and see what it's really like. So this whole order was £3, which is an absolute bargain, by the way. Like, you can't get even probably a Freddo for that price at the moment. So price-wise, this is unbelievable. And I feel like when something's that affordable as well, it pushes you to want to try it. So I do £5 lucky dips on a Friday, and I feel like a lot of people buy them because it's a cheaper way of getting something from that small business to test out if you actually like it before getting more. Now, this delivery was super quick, I will say. Now, here are the 3 wax melts. I love the glitter on them. Anything with glitter just sells it to me. So he picked these out at random, and I cannot remember the scents for the life of me. So let's see what they are. Okay, we've got April Showers. I have no idea how that's going to smell. Tropical Fruits and Lemon Zing. Now, I've got a bit of a weird smell, if I'm honest. So this, I'm not the best person to test these, because my sense of smell, basically, I've had chronic sinusitis, I've had surgery, and it did nothing. So I still can't smell. But recently I can smell things really strong, but only very specific things. So I might be able to smell them, I might not. So I'll let you know how I feel about these. So first up, we've got Lemon Zing. Yeah, I can only smell it a tiny bit. It is nothing to do with Jack, it is fully me. I'll get my boyfriend in a minute to smell them so we can do a real test, and he is brutally honest. He hates lemon though, so he will not be a good judge for that. Oh, I can't smell that one either. Okay, come on. Oh, I can smell that one a little bit. April Showers. Oh, it's kind of fresh. I'm gonna get my boyfriend to come in and smell these for you.
It's about time you had me on. April Showers.
Give us the notes.
Well, I'm just not sure what that's smelling like.
Smell it a tiny bit.
Kind of does smell a bit like fresh washing, a little bit.
Yeah. What are you rating it?
Oh, well, what am I rating? What, out of 10? Out of 5.
10.
I'd give it a solid 7.
Alright, that's pretty good for him, to be honest, because you're quite harsh critique, aren't you?
Well, not really.
No, you are.
If it's good, it's good, and if it's not, it's not. This is Tropical Fruits.
You can't smell that one?
I don't think anyone can.
I'm sorry, Jack, I'm sorry.
It smells like fucking cheese string.
I can smell that strong. That's so weird, isn't it? Just now I can smell it at all.
But I can smell it, it's just not for me. It's just not for me. Lemon Zing.
No, you don't like lemon?
Well, the smell is not too bad. I just don't like it when you put a whole lemon on a chicken and ruin it.
Right. That's personal.
That's quite nice.
Is it? Let me have a go now.
Yeah, it's like lemon, like lemon sweets, like lemon. Is it lemon sherbet? Is that sweet?
Yeah.
Is it? You know, like, oh, you've literally got some. That wasn't planned at all. It wasn't.
Okay, do you want to review the rest of the things in this video while you're here?
I'd love to.
Alright, fine. Jack, thank you very much. For £3, you can't go wrong. And the size of this for £1 is unbelievable. That's so good. You could literally put that in half as well and do like, and use it for 2 different uses. Okay, now I have opened it because I had no idea what this was, but I haven't seen inside yet, so I'm excited to see. Now, this one is from Hope and Grey Creative. If you haven't heard of them before, they make glasses, but they have like designs on them and stuff, and I have been ordering from her for a year, maybe 2, and I've got loads of her glasses. A lot of them, one day I had a bunch of my glasses all on my, like next to my sink, and my cat knocked over 3 of them and smashed them all, and I was like, okay, cool. This order, let me just see how much this was in total. £31.71, so not bad. And I bought 4 items. So I got 2 mugs, which were her new ones, a Froggy mug, Don't Bug Me mug, and then 2 bookmarks because I've just started reading. So I got a Proud to be Strange and Unusual, and then a Grumpy Frog one. So let's see what we got here. Ooh, cute. Yes, this is a bit of me. When I seen the collection, I was like, that's a bit of me. Look. How cool is that? Got little frogs, flowers. Cute. Cute. Oh, I love it. I love that it's very cartoony. It's got way more bugs than I remember. So it's got little worm, sun, snail. This ladybug's a little bit off center, it looks like, but it kind of doesn't matter because it looks a bit cartoony anyway. Butterfly, bumblebee, worm. Cute. I really like this. This is very cute. People always ask me where I get my glasses as well, because I use these a lot, like when I'm on live and stuff. And yeah, this is the place, Hope and Grey Creative. I think I've ordered from her maybe about, it's got to be about 7 times maybe more, maybe a little bit less, I can't remember. But I've ordered a lot from her. So here is the other mug, love. Okay, so we've got some stickers in here, cute. We've got this one. And this one here. I think this is free. I didn't order this one. Oh. Yes, look, I love the packaging too. Here's the frog. Here is the Proud to be Strange and Unusual, because that is very me. Let me go get my books. Here are the books that I'm reading at the moment. Diary of a CEO. Love. My boyfriend went to school with him, you know, and was friends with him. Fun fact. So my bookmark for this one is in fact a napkin. So we can now get rid of the napkin. Woo! Oh yeah. And then the other book I'm reading is The Courage to be Disliked, because when I got an influx of haters, she needed some help up there. This one is a Matalan's tag for £22. Okay. Oh yeah. Perfect. Love. It took almost a month to arrive. I think 3.5 weeks it took, which was quite long. I kept checking only because I don't usually care, because I know it's going to take longer for small businesses. So it's not necessarily a negative. Sometimes mine can take a long time as well. If I'm a bit busier or I'm ill or anything like that, then mine do take a while sometimes too. The only reason I was tracking it so much is because I wanted to film this video. Okay, next one.
And what?
Well, it's cups. They're cute.
Nah. It's just a cup with stickers on it.
Well, I've got loads of them in the house, haven't I?
Yeah.
From her.
Yeah. Oh, no, but I don't want to be... It is what it is.
Well, I like them.
Yeah, you love them.
They're not for you.
Yeah, they're not for me.
Yeah.
But I just... It's
well,
just,
it would be weird if you watched.
Yeah, I know, but it's literally... I can peel that off right now.
I'm very sorry if you're watching. This is just his opinion. You can't really take it for anything. Yeah.
It's just an opinion.
Yeah.
Someone might
got mine and then yours.
Someone might look at my face and go, that's a 0.
Probably.
And I'd say, I agree.
Leave it in the comments.
Yeah, leave it in the comments. Say that face is a 0.
Okay, the next one is from Jam Pot Glitter. These ones I've bought from her before, and I wanted to order some more glitter. Now, these are very affordable. They're like £1 each or something, which is very, very cheap. I will say the packaging is a little bit lackluster. Like, it's just sort of been shoved in there. And I know some people can't afford loads of packaging and stuff, but I feel like it really does make a difference. Just a bit of tissue paper, a business card, just something. I got freshly cut, emerald, olive, teal-rific, oop, oop, a dupe. I got platinum snowflakes. I thought these would be great for Christmas. This one's She's Cute, lilac disco, frosty furs, toffee penny, silver tinsel, and molten amethyst, which I've just realized I have already got one of these, so I accidentally bought another, but hey ho. So all of those glitters are 10 grams each, so they were £1 each, and the total was £17. And this one didn't take too long to arrive. It was not quick nor slow.
So they just do bags of glitter?
Correct.
What is the point in that?
Well, people like me buy it.
Do they? Where's the package? Is this how it came?
Yeah. Yeah, I did mention that as well. It's not great, is it?
That looks like the metal thing I've got downstairs to do the dishes.
Yeah.
Shaved
A
up.
scourer. Guess how much they were per bag?
Per bag?
Yeah.
Of this?
Yeah.
You can't be looking at more than 50p.
Oh. Well, £1 a bag.
£1 a bag.
I thought it's not bad. 17 quid that total is of that order.
Yeah, but if you think about how much this costs,
yeah,
you can probably just find this.
Yeah, I don't really understand people who sell glitter. Do they just buy it and then sell it on?
Well, obviously they don't
They
make
just
it.
buy a big tub and then...
You don't make it, do you?
Well, I assumed people would make their own...
Well, maybe they do.
I
Maybe
don't
they do. You can but you can just buy 2 glitters and make a blend. That's now a new glitter.
Yeah.
I'm not the target audience, but for someone who is ordering glitter
Me.
and really needs that in their life, because you know they're glitter sparkles, then you got what you wanted, didn't you?
Now I've got 2 more that I'm going to do, and these 2 are gifted, so I'm just going to let you know that now. But both of the businesses wanted to create something for me that was custom, and they did not know I was doing this video, so I didn't even know I was doing this video beforehand. So I have no obligation to give like a good review. I'm going to give whatever review I want. Look! Come on now. Now you probably would have seen this in the background of some of my videos already. Now Berry Cute Crafts messaged me and asked if she could make me something and send it. I had no idea what she was gonna make, and she made this. Come on now. You need to check her out because she's making more and more crochet items, and I think these are just the best things ever. Now, my favorite animal in the world is a turtle, apart from my cats, obviously. And I love flowers, so the fact it's a sunflower turtle is like a dream. And I will just say, it is the softest thing I have ever felt. Like, oh, it feels unbelievable. And I just think it is the sweetest thing ever. Imagine this as a little gift, or a little gift for yourself in your room. I just think it's really sweet. Let's have a look at her website and see how much she usually sort of charges for these things. So she hasn't got this one, but she does have a mushroom booty turtle, which is £15. So I feel like that's really affordable. She also has other ones. So we've got like a capybara, ladybugs, chickens, oh my, a bonnet duck, look, and little chickens. She's got some really nice pieces, so I would definitely check her out. I've been small business friends with her for a little while now. We've been following each other for, again, I would say more than a year, surely, and I've ordered from her before, and I just think her pieces are incredible, so definitely check her out. And thank you again, Charlotte, for making this for me. It is just the best thing ever. I love it. Obviously I can't really rate it on delivery and stuff because I didn't order it. Now, I will say I didn't buy this, she gifted it to me.
I love it. I love it. I love it, to be honest with you. It feels like it's like a flannel / lovable little fella.
It's lovely and soft, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely. I really like it.
How much would you say you would pay for that?
How much would I pay for
She
it?
crocheted that. She
Yeah,
made it.
no, that's fine. How much would I pay for it? Just say I seen that and I thought, oh, you'd love that.
Yeah.
And you weren't there, and I think, oh, I'd love to get you that. At that point, I think when it gets to that point, I wouldn't care about the price.
Yeah.
I'd just pay whatever I wanted just to make sure someone was happy.
But how much would you say?
To make sure you was happy. To be honest, how much would I pay for that if I was seeing that and I know you'd love it? That's how I'm basing it. I'd pay 25 quid.
Nice. Well, she's got a mushroom one on there for 15.
That's what you're saying.
Well, she's much cheaper than
It sounded like you were saying if you'd pay 25, will you buy me that one for 15? That's what it sounded
No, she's got
like.
a lovely one that I would like though. It's only 12.
No, honestly, I would happily pay 25 for that.
Well, I would send her this video.
25,
She can put her
20.
prices up.
Anywhere around that. I think things like this is unique.
You can't just buy that in a shop.
Yeah, where am I
can
going to
you?
find that?
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
why. That's why you can't. You can't put a price on things like this.
Like
Because-
char rings.
Like char rings, because they're one of a kind. Until everyone takes all your ideas and then does them, then they're not yours anymore. But you know, I just like things like this. It's something that can give you an attachment. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You can get attached to stuff like this. I'll rate that a 10.
Wow. First 10 of the episode.
I like it.
Like, we can make this a whole series if people like it. We could do it
Yeah.
more often. Not yours.
And I don't know the person. Okay.
No, you don't know any of these.
I don't know any of these people, and I don't want to know them.
Now, the last small business for this video is Hello September. Now, firstly, I love the business name because September is my birth month. I'm born on September the 7th. She said that she was going to make me a cup, but she sent me an extra thing as well, which I have been using every day. So both of these things I've been using every day at the moment. The first thing is this cup. Unreal. look at the holographic design on it. It's so cool. It's got my logo on it, and then it's got my characters and all the stars around. I just love. And the last thing she made me, which was a complete surprise, is this tote bag. Now, I know it's creased, it didn't come like this. I just use it a lot and I've just got it out of my car. But I have just started sending off parcels now, because usually I have the collection come to my house, grab my parcels and take them for me. But they now charge 30p per parcel and I'm not paying that. So I have been going out every day and sending out orders instead, and I've been using my tote bag, and it actually holds way more than you'd think. But it's got my logo on the front here, and then on the back, what a surprise, it's got my little characters as well. So cute. I absolutely love it, and I'm not joking, I literally have been using it every day. It's already started bubbling up. I've been using it so much. So thank you so much for sending this to me, because I really do appreciate it, and when small businesses send me stuff, it just, oh, I don't know, it just means so much to me. So thank you very much. Cup and the tote bag.
It's just like when, you know, it's nice weather and you just go, it's nice weather. That's it.
Right,
you don't
nice.
say no more, do you?
Yeah.
I like this. Can I undo it?
You just lift it up.
Oh.
But the straw did come cracked, but that's not her fault. It was in delivery.
Nah, it's what it is.
It still works.
But yeah, it's nice though. That's nice that someone will gift you that. Look, for you, that's perfect, isn't it?
Yeah, I love it.
That's exactly what you need.
Yeah, I love it.
And you love it. And that's fine. But I don't. Though this is good though. This is nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is nice.
It's handy. It fits way more than I thought as well.
Yeah, it's good that. I like the way that's on there like that. Feels good. Feels nice quality. Looks nice. And it's perfect for you, isn't it? To put all your bits and bobs in, do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, I just also need to say, if any of you do have a problem, you can go to my page and have a go at me. Don't have a go at Charlie.
Yeah, don't take it personal. Don't take it personal, because people do get emotional on here. You know, small businesses do get emotional. I fell out loads because they all are very sensitive. It's just a bit of fun, okay? Don't take it personal. I've done my review and that's my fault. This is a man you don't know and you'll never know, so I wouldn't worry. That is everything for today's video. If you enjoyed, please give this video a like and subscribe. And if you own your own small business and you want to get involved, because I would love to do this again, it's a way of promoting small businesses, but also just being able to buy from you guys more, then please comment down below if you own a small business. I would love to buy from you and review your stuff. Just let me know in the comments what you make and where I can shop your stuff, and I will have a little look-sees. And if you would like to shop at my small business, I've never done this before, but I'm going to give you a little discount code for this video only. So if you've made it to the end, you get this little prize, okay? It's 20% off my shop using code SMALLBUSINESS. So small business in capitals, all one word, and you can get 20% off my shop, so you can have a look for yourself and have a little review. I don't mind. And if you'd like to follow my social media, they are linked in the description down below, as well as my shop if that's a quicker way for you. And I shall see you in the next one. Bye.